we have to add two algebraic fractions. First expression is algebraic fraction and the second expression is 3t. We can always change this to fraction. First we will copy 4 minus t over 2t, and to change 3t to fraction we can just put over 1. 3t over 1, and we have algebraic fraction. 3t over 1 is 3t, the same what I have at the beginning. I didn't change anything. And now we have to add this to algebraic fractions. We know that when we have to add algebraic fractions, we need to have the same denominator. Now we have 2t and 1. So the least common denominator for 4t and 1 will be 2t. How we do this? We just multiply these two denominators. 2t times 1 is 2t. And next, we have to check our first algebraic fraction. We have 2t in the denominator, and now will be 2t, so it's the same. So I don't have to do anything with the numerator. We have already this 2t in the denominator, and now we need to have 2t in the denominator in the second algebraic fraction. We have only 1. It means I have to multiply this 1 by 2t to get 2t. If I multiply the denominator by 2t, I have to do the same with the numerator. I didn't change this algebraic fraction. I just extend this. When I reduce, because we have multiplication 2t and 2t, I have still 3t over 1. And now we have to do multiplications. We have 1 times 2t is 2t, and 3t times 2t, we have to multiply the numbers. 3 times 2 is 6, and t times t is t squared. Now when we have the same denominators, we can copy denominator 2t and we add numerators. The same like we do addition fractions. So we have 4 minus t plus 6t squared. Now let me copy denominator, because we have to check if we can reduce to the lowest terms. So I will rewrite our numerator and I will start from the highest power. So this is 6t squared, and next we have minus t plus 4. We have in denominator general quadratic trinomial. So we can reduce to the lowest terms if we have multiplication in the numerator and in the denominator. How we check if we can factorize this denominator? We have to find the delta. The delta is equal b squared minus 4ac. What is b, a, and c? When we have general quadratic trinomial formula, this is ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is the coefficient before x to the second power. B is coefficient before x to first power, and c is constant. So now let's check our general quadratic trinomial. We have 6t squared minus t plus 4. A is equal 6. B is equal negative 1. Before t we have negative, invisible 1, and constant c is equal 4. So delta will be b squared minus 4ac. This is equal, b is negative 1 to second power minus 4 times a is 6 and times 4 is c. So this is equal 1 minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 6 is 96. So this is equal 1 minus 96 is negative 95. When delta is less than 0, it means we cannot find real roots. So we cannot factorize our denominator. So if we cannot factorize our denominator, we cannot reduce. So this is my solution.